Hi there, I'm Dr. Strubbe. I'm a chiropractic physician in Pinellas Park, Florida. This is a piece of diathermy equipment. Diathermy is a form of deep heat. Deep heat can be very helpful, especially for chronic problems. It will help to temporarily increase blood flow, relax tight muscles. It's good for a lot of the different types of problems that people have that come to see us. This piece of physical therapy equipment is actually two different pieces of equipment in one. One side of it is for interferential. Interferential is a form of electrical muscle stim. It's a deep penetrating type of therapy, very helpful for both acute and chronic problems. It will help to temporarily increase blood flow, decrease muscle spasm, decrease inflammation, and pain. The other is ultrasound, and ultrasound are pulsed sound waves that go into the tissue. These can also help decrease swelling, decrease inflammation, decrease muscle spasm. The two of these can be used independently or they can be used combined so that you would be doing ultrasound and interferential at the same time using the head of the ultrasound instrument to apply the therapy. This is a piece of decompression equipment. Decompression is essentially very sophisticated traction. It's what they call oscillating traction. So it does not just stretch and hold. It will stretch a bit, back off, stretch a bit, back off. It can be used on either the neck to provide gentle traction or on the low back to provide gentle traction. This is particularly good for disc disorders, things like herniated discs. It's also very good for a number of other types of problems, things like degenerative disease. A lot of injuries will very much benefit from this type of traction. It's very gentle. The patient would have this little button that they could press. If anything was uncomfortable, they press that button, it stops immediately. This is the room where massage is done. Our massage therapist has been practicing for approximately 25 years. She is licensed, exceptionally good. Massage is very helpful for a number of different types of problems. It will help relieve pain. It will help relax tight muscles. It will help restore mobility to areas that have been restricted. Like everything else we do in the office, it needs to be comfortable. If it is not comfortable, the patient is to tell the massage therapist. However, most everyone is quite happy with massage and benefits from it. Right. This piece of equipment, which is an adjusting table, also has the capability of doing gentle traction on the low back. The back end of this table can dip down. The weight of the patient's legs when the table dips down produces a gentle stretch throughout the low back, and it dissipates as it goes up into the thoracic area. This little instrument is an alternate form of adjusting. Most commonly, chiropractors do manual adjusting where they would take their hands and give a push. You'd feel and hear a little click. This device delivers a very high velocity focused thrust. It's a little thump. And it is a form of adjusting and can be used to adjust any part of the body, whether that be low back, or up in the neck and upper back. We'll get you to look face down there for a moment. And it is very gentle, very well tolerated on elderly or osteoporotic people. This is oftentimes the best way to go. Also on site, we have X-ray equipment. Everybody who comes in does not necessarily require X-rays. However, especially if there has just been trauma, things like an automobile accident, we might very well want to get some X-rays just to get a better evaluation of what the problems are. So if you come here with problems with your neck and I feel it's necessary to get some X-rays, we have the capability of doing that. If you come here with significant low back pain and have just recently been injured and we feel it's necessary to get some X-rays, we have the capability of doing that.